years ago, I didn't really see the point in using a serum. I thought my moisturizer could do everything my skin needed. Obviously, I was gravely mistaken. And the whole point of doing this video is to ensure that you guys don't make the same mistake. Hi guys, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to tell you about 5 serums that can change your skincare game. Curious already? Hold on, because before I begin, I need to ensure that you guys go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and tap on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. In addition to droopy eyes and constant yawns, dull, lackluster skin can make you look tired and lethargic. The antidote to dull skin, you ask, is a glow boosting serum. Now no need to look for a glow boosting serum. Here it is. This is the Pond's Bright Beauty Spotless Glow Serum. This fast absorbing, non-sticky and non-greasy serum has 3 key ingredients that are going to add that lit from within glow on your skin's surface. First, it has Gluta-Boost C in it, which is a potent antioxidant that will help improve skin's texture, making it softer and smoother over time. Secondly, it has vitamin B3, which will help build keratin in the skin and in turn brightens your skin's complexion while minimizing the appearance of pores. And lastly, hyaluronic acid will help retain moisture while smoothing out fine lines for a healthy glowing skin. Next serum recommendation is for dryness. Flaking, redness and general discomfort are just some of the unpleasant symptoms of skin that's dried out. If you're looking for a hydrating serum, then this should be your pick. This is the Simple Booster Serum with 3% hyaluronic acid plus B5 for deep hydration. This non-sticky, non-greasy and dermatologically tested serum is great for dry skin. But what does it have in terms of hydrating ingredients? Well, it contains 0.5% active hyaluronic acid that will hydrate the surface of the skin, 0.5% pentavitrin which will hydrate the deeper layers of the skin for up to 72 hours, and it has 2.5% provitamin B5 which will maximize and retain hydration. But this is all the more beneficial for dry skin because it has no skin baddies like parabens, alcohol, artificial fragrance and color, which are some key culprits that lead to dryness. The third serum is for those that have dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation and sunspots, which inevitably means that you need to look out for a vitamin C serum. Reason being, vitamin C inhibits the pathway of abnormal production of skin pigments, also known as melanin, to even out the skin tone. Here is my pick. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Plus Face Serum with 100% real Kakadu plum extract for nourished skin. This lightweight serum is made from real Kakadu plum extracts, which is the highest form of vitamin C. Hence, be rest assured that with regular usage of this vitamin C serum, problems such as dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation will fade away. That's not all. It will also hydrate, moisturize, brighten and improve your skin's texture. The fourth serum is for damaged skin. Now, damaged skin is a result of weak skin barrier, which refers to the top layer of the skin. Its main role is to be the skin's protector. The most common signs include itchiness, redness, rashes, acne, stinging and burning of the skin. Luckily, a damaged skin barrier does not have to be permanent and the situation is entirely treatable. Look out for serums that have healing ingredients like this one. This is the Simple Booster Serum with 10% hemp seed oil plus B3 for strong skin barrier. It has pro-ceramides like 10% hemp seed oil that will strengthen skin's barrier and protect against collagen degradation. That's not all. It also is rich in omega-9 fatty acid that plays an integral role in the inflammatory response of the skin, the appearance and the feel of the skin, and the ability to act as a barrier. The best part about this serum is that it is free from harsh ingredients, artificial color, alcohol, parabens, which are some skin baddies that disrupt our skin's barrier function, making it susceptible to a whole host of problems. And last but definitely not the least, this serum right here is for those that have adult acne. This is the Dermalogica Age Bright Clearing Serum. This lightweight serum tackles two problems at the same time. One is signs of aging and other is adult acne. How? Well, it has salicylic acid which will banish acne-causing bacteria, and niacinamide works to fade post-breakout marks. With regards to signs of aging, it has Age Bright complex that works with the skin's natural microbiome, which will reduce visible skin aging for clearer, brighter and youthful skin. So these were 5 serums that can change your skincare game altogether. If you want to purchase any of them, then do check out the description box below for purchasing links. Before I leave, like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're still at it, ring the bell icon for further notifications.